Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan, cruelty-free, mostly beauty. I also try to be as sustainable as I can be, especially with clothes. I'm better at clothes than other categories. So I'm going to talk about things I got. I'm going to talk about all the products that I got at Thredup for spring haul, well, spring summer for work. I now work like I wouldn't say it's corporate, but I work at a courthouse, so I didn't have a lot of clothes for work, especially for summertime. I'm used to wearing like uniforms or working from home. So I got this cute dress. I will show you guys, I think it's a B-roll. So, and these are the clothes. But yeah, I got this really cute dress. I'm gonna be wearing like, something underneath, obviously at work, because I'm not gonna be doing that, but it's really cute. It's very soft, and I think it fits me really well. I like where it hits me. I have long arms and sometimes stuff hits me kind of weird. Like it's too short, but it's also not super tight. So, and I do like the wrap. I think that's cute. And I like dresses. So I might wear some tights underneath this. I don't know. I used to be so anti-tights, but I'm trying to be professional. So, and then I have this cute red dress, same thing, but this has pockets, which is fun. It's really cute. So I'm 5'7", by the way. And I'm like between like a 6, more 8. So yeah, I'm still not pre-pregnancy. Body's just been fluctuating. I don't know. So I am 30, so my metabolism's not like where it used to be. And then I got these pants. These are a size 6, but they're like kind of like capris. These are from Gap. I try to get clothes without polyester. Like I try to get like 100% cotton, organic cotton if I can, modal, tencel, or like linen. But these are a size 6. They are a teensy bit tight, especially in the crotch, but I do like the color. Like I got a lot of colors. I love blue, but I was like, okay, let's get some colors. I got some prints, which I usually don't do. I'm kind of plain. And then this is like definitely outside my comfort zone, but I thought it'd be fun. I'm not really a pink kind of girl, but I thought it was cute. Has these flowy sleeves, which is definitely not usually me, but I do like that. And I like the color. I definitely need to steam it, obviously, and the pearls are really cute. And it's a little cutout there. So got that. And then this top is like the same material as the dress I'm wearing right now. It's just like a top. This is from Banana Republic. It's really smooth. It's really soft, and I just like the wrap kind of aspect to it. Clips right there, but yeah, it's really cute and not super short. So yeah, it's really soft. Got this top from Old Navy. This is really cute. Like has little ties, and yeah, it's just flowy and like lightweight and everything. Has flowers on it. Again, not really me, but not usually what I would wear, but I actually thought it was really cute. And it has stripes, so I thought that was fun. And then I have 2 items that this one I'm the most, okay, so I have 2 items that were like misses. This one especially, this is from Liz Claiborne. This is 100% cotton. It's missing a button. So when I buttoned it, it looks really weird because there's one missing. So let me show you guys where it is. So right here, there is a button missing. And I can't button it because when I buttoned it, it looks really awkward. Like it just looks like a button's missing. And finding a button like is difficult is a difficult task. Like, so, and it's really cute though. Like I like the print a lot. Like it has flowers and polka dots, but I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna have to go to a friend. And then this, I'm gonna need to wear like a cardigan on top because it does show my bra here. So, and I'm not wearing a strapless bra to work. But this is really cute, like date night, it's pink and flowy. It's got some like kind of like ruffles in the back, or like ruffles all around. It's really cute. And then it's from Lime and Dot. It actually has a tag on it, which is like, it's that brand's making new. But yeah, you just, button it there. But I thought this would be cute. I see women all the time at work. Wearing like, it's not like a tank top, but like you can put like a cardigan over, or wear it underneath. I don't know. Yeah, you wear a cardigan over it. And then I thought this was really cute too. This has some lace here and lace on the bottom, and I thought it was cute. Like it has polka dots, and yeah. This, my youngest has been saying elephant. Oh, it's so cute. But yeah, I thought this was a cute top as well, like something fun. It's elephants on it, and it's just like one of those, my mom calls them shell tops. I think it's shell top. but just like a basic, but it's a print. This is from Gap. I thought this was a fun top. It's really cute. Like, it's cotton, but it's, I believe it's 100% cotton, but it's cute because it has like 2 patterns, but still thought it was professional. And then I thought this was cute. Like, look at all the colors I'm getting. So I thought this was really, really cute. The buttons and just, I don't know what this is like set. I don't know what decade this is from. I thought it was really cute. And vintage from Harper. I don't know that brand, but yeah, cute. Polka dots. This is from the original ink. This is 100% Model. Look, it's kind of, well, not really cropped, but it's, okay, I can't describe clothes, all right? I'm not a fashionista, but I like it. It has little sleeves and little buttons. Gingham. Reminds me of a dress I had as a little girl. Alexander Jordan. But look, and then it has the flowy sleeves. It's like 3/4 length, and then it has like the seam there. This has a stain on it, so I just need to get that out, but I really like this detail too. This is from J. Crew. I like this. Again, just a basic top, but I like this as well. And then this dress is probably going to my friend Olivia. It's tight in my arms for some reason, and I'm like, I don't really know, like, even if I work out a lot, like, I'm not gonna have like skinnier arms. So anyway, thought this would be cute on her. This reminds me of one of my maternity dresses I had with Liv, but it was like wider pink stripes than blue, but so like the opposite. But I thought it was really cute, like the tie and stuff, but I thought my friend Olivia might like this. This is from Banana Republic as well. And then this is kind of like, not to be mean, but this is kind of like my grandma probably would have worn this. My mom's mom that passed away, but not in a mean way. She used to wear a lot of colors actually, but I thought this is cute. So just kind of remind me of my grandma, not in a bad way, but it's professional, like detail and the colors. This top, this top I wanted to wear for work, but it's just kind of, it's cropped and I don't know. I don't really know what to do with it. So, and it looked kind of different online. So this is separate, okay? So like, it's like this in the front, all right? And then this in the back. So even if I wear super high-waisted pants, I still don't want to like lift my hands up and then, or lift my arms up and then like be showing my stomach at work, like, so, but I do like it. It's lightweight, so like I could wear this for, you know, shorts or something. And it's kind of interesting how it's long in the back like that, but like it's way more cropped in the front. I don't know. I do like it though. So, but yeah, I would say it was a successful haul. All of that was $100, which, I mean, full price, it would have been like way more expensive. So Thredup always has really good deals, in my opinion. It has really nice quality. I really shop around, which is like how I am with everything. Like, I look at stuff and I really think about like how it's gonna look on me or if I'm gonna like it. But yeah, I would say I was pretty successful, and I'm pretty surprised at myself because I don't usually wear a lot of color. Like, I wear a lot of like basic stuff. Oh yeah, and then this dress, which because it has the wrap and it's really soft. But yeah, I'm proud of myself and I'm glad everything fit pretty well for the most part, except for 2 items. Well, one, it did fit, but we're missing a button. And then the other, the arms. So, you know, you win some, you lose some, but like that was pretty successful. So I'm really happy and I'm excited to put those together with some black pants, or I'm still on the hunt for like a midi skirt that's not like a linen midi skirt that's not like $100. So, or like 80 or 70. So I want to go thrifting and find some skirts that are like appropriate, like I said, not short. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I got, and I'm excited for spring and summer to be somewhat fashionable. Well, fashionable for me. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.